I started with an awareness for teachers last year, holding some half-day workshops on what is 3D printing, what's the future of 3D printing, how can you take care of 3D design, what are some tools that you can use. But then this fall, we opened up the option for schools to send teams of both teachers and students. So by kind of tapping into that excitement on the student level of wanting to learn about this, we're able to then put the tools in their hands. And now we have a 3D printer that's going to be cycling through schools over the course of this school year so that students can really have that hands-on experience.
230 degrees Celsius.
I've already worked with one school to get them set up with their own printer. It was Dubuque Hempstead that I worked pretty closely with last spring around designing unique interactives and devices for a classroom for students with autism. That's really what I see as being the ultimate accomplishment, is if a 3D printer is available in the school, as the needs of either the student population or the teacher population come in, you have a group of students who know about 3D design that can design things to meet those needs, and they can be manufactured right there. I mean, it doesn't get much more real world than that. The top jobs in 10 years probably aren't even going to be in existence right now, so giving them the skills they can use to adapt and be ready for that environment is really what we want to accomplish. So even if schools are on the fence about whether or not they want to make the investment, I can always bring the materials to them, let them see what it's like, maybe advise them a little bit on what they might look for in a printer, and they still would have access to Keystone to print the objects until they made that investment for themselves. And right now, because the investment in material is relatively low, we're still providing that service free of charge to schools.